Hey folks, how are you? My name is Matt and I'm going to be deodorizing this apartment here in Miramar. I work with this apartment complex property management group. They own many properties and they hire me to do their odor removal. And now this particular apartment, when I got here the first time last week, it had the blinds up, it had really nasty carpets in here, it had the old HVAC, they put a new one, they put new carpets, and they took the blinds down. And I asked them, not to paint in here yet. Let me deal with it first because I don't want to have to work on top of new paint. And that's the best way to do it. Although our chemicals will go through new paint, but we prefer to treat first and then have it painted. But I did not want to treat this for them without having it cleaned first because I did not want them to waste money. So I had them clean it first and now I'm back here to treat it. My number is 954-589-3083. This is a really bad tobacco situation, marijuana, tobacco, pets. It's just a potpourri of terrible odors. But when I'm done with it, it will smell very nice. Thank you. Let me do your home, your car, your boat, your plane, and you'll be really happy. And by the way, that's me. I'm Matt. Be happy to help you out. Thanks, folks.